This button. All right, good to go. So hi guys, good morning, very good morning. And today's session is gonna be another interesting part of today because today, like we from the last sessions, we have covered a lot about the lead generation, and also we have seen how LinkedIn works, how social media works. Nowadays, we are also learning how Facebook also works. Like now, we are learning a lot of things together right now, and we are things in action. The most important part we left, which is one of my favorite and also very underestimated thing, which is email marketing in digital marketing. Right? No one talk about this email marketing thing. Everyone is running behind the Google and Facebook ads, but there is a powerful tool again. It is called email marketing inside the digital marketing. So how many of you have used the email marketing before, like they're doing for someone, or maybe they tried yourself? How many of you tried? Anyone? Yes, Harsh, you tried. Anyone else? No. So I think that would be great. Like if I share something on the email marketing, that how to get started and what needs to be there to get started on email marketing, and I'll guide you throughout the days. Like from the next sessions onwards, I will go deep down. So today is your first session on this email marketing. So I'll be starting session today, and in coming days you will gonna see I'm going every day a little bit in depth and and I'll reach to one goal where you will find your that, hey man, I know everything, almost everything about the email marketing. You are good to go and you can launch your email marketing right now, right today, after a few more days. Okay. Okay. I want that kind of a confidence you have. So let's get started. Let me just move on to my one screen. Uh-huh. Wait. All right. Is it visible, guys?
Yes, visible.
Yes. So the very first thing is like, guys, uh, getting started in email marketing, we required few things. Okay. One is like how exactly do you get started? Like the very first thing is like people think, how do you exactly get started in the email marketing? What are the steps you need to get started? Okay. And how we run email marketing campaigns. When we sleep, our campaigns are live. When we are eating, campaigns are live. Sales are happening throughout the globe. Automation is done, like 60% automation is being done on emails. This is the fact. I hope you agree. So if we talk about 100% automation, 60% automation itself is an email automation. Rest is your other automations like SMS, maybe, or maybe some other tools integration and all. But 60% automations is mostly probably would be, you will find the email automations. Correct? Yes. So I will show you the
अरे
path.
क्लास नहीं लेते, इंटर्नशिप तो चल रही है यार. क्लास तो कॉलेज वाले के कौन पढ़ाई कर रहा है?
Are Vishnu, can you just mute? Thanks. Great. It happens sometimes. It's okay. All right. So I will show you the path, how to get started in this email marketing journey, to which will lead to your success straight away. All right. Which will lead to success straight away. You don't have to find here and there how to get started and how to run a successful campaign at once. Okay. I don't want you to do multiple tries and errors. Instead, I'll walk you through the right steps and strategy which is need to be there. Okay. So step one. All right. Let's talk about the step one. And let me just start writing this email marketing here. Okay, let's get started in email marketing. So guys, screen is visible? Yes or no?
Yes, visible.
Yes,
Okay.
visible.
All right, all right. So we have step one, which is set your goals. Okay, we have multiple goals. And again, this is a very important stuff. People don't do it. So people have one bad habit. The moment I say no email marketing, they expect something that now Vijay will open something, a tool, and they will start explaining about that, how this tool works, how to create a campaign and all. But it's not exactly like that. You have to do a lot of paperwork before get starting in email marketing. All right. So very first thing is like what type of campaign you must get started. Okay, what if I'm talking about your goals, you must know that we have various type of campaigns inside the email marketing. Likewise, we have an email. Likewise, we have pretty much an option in Facebook ads. You've seen we have 10 to 12 options available, right? Almost there, near to that. We have a lot of options available. So we have also option available in this email marketing to how we want to approach our targeted clients, or maybe targeted customer email list. All right. So it should be like type of campaign you must check out, whom it should be for. All right. How to measure and performance, you should know it, like how to measure and performance, whom to whom you are writing this email, and what kind of campaign you're going to be there, right there. So you must all know these factors. So that is why I'm saying, to have a goal, it is very important in email marketing. Okay. So most people start straight email marketing by just going to some random tool like ConvertKit, maybe Active Campaign. They go simply, they open simple tool and just start create one first campaign. But before that, if you have a one habit to do some paperwork before you jump into the any software, that is a highly recommended, that you will get a much better success score. Because likewise, you remember that we have done a buyer's persona in Facebook ads before we running ads, right? We done the buyer's persona. So it is similar to that activity, that we are doing our goals for the campaign, that what kind of an email campaign we are running through and for whom it should be. Okay. And after running and all, how we going to be actually track the performance. If you don't know how to track the performance, it will be like nowhere. How you will know that you are standing still or you are leading ahead? You don't even know that where are you at in the position. Getting it? So it is the only way to reach individually in a personal basis to get the basis results. So it's worth time to investing in individual to get both. So do you think email marketing is the only way to reach any individual right now? Any individual? Is there any way? Suppose tomorrow there is no Facebook, Instagram. Your followers are zero. LinkedIn is zero. But you have one very powerful thing, which is their own personal email IDs. Do you think just because of email you can reach personally? Right. That's why people often says my email is my net worth. Okay, my email list is my net worth. If I have 2 lakh of email list, so I have a net worth of 2 lakh or 10 lakh. Okay, they compare to this, my email list is my net worth. So everyone should take a target that they must have at least 1 lakh email list, or maybe they must have 10 lakh of email list, 5 lakh of people email list. Okay. So you shouldn't be dependent on your total business. Entire business will be dependent on everything. Like it will not be proportionally dependent on Facebook, Instagram, and like suppose tomorrow Facebook is not there in India, Instagram is not there. We are running highly risky business right now. Those who are here as an influencer right now, who is working, you are in a very high risk. Tomorrow, like TikTok, maybe an Instagram can be banned in India, or maybe a LinkedIn. But if you are not creating your email list as a business, or maybe for your individual stuff, it will be a really tough for you to survive. Because suppose if it is not if it is not getting what we say, if we have no words for that, right? So you will be like zero. You come to the position zero. Suppose you have created thousands content on LinkedIn, Instagram. Now you will come to the zero. So how many people you believe that we must have email marketing running for every business? In fact, for ourselves, for your own self, for your clients, everyone must use email marketing to build the relation and get the details. No matter what, we must have to get it. Okay, because unless until we get it, we'll be finished. All right, let's go ahead and let's talk about a little more. So yes, so like let's talk about the goals. It could be for some goals like maybe what could be a goal, guys? Can you just give me an example? One is the signups. Okay.
Another newsletter or follow-ups for subscriptions.
Okay, let's it will come under signups, and we can say generating and
Nurturing.
make sense, right?
Yes.
Generating majority is generating and nurturing leads are very important priority here. Okay, so email marketing, when we start, there are two factors. One of the most, one is sign up, another one is generating and nurturing the whole thing. And also we can write Just guys, can you mute yourself? Who is unmuted? Okay. Generating more sales. Okay. We can also generate some more sales. What do you think? Yes or no? Right. Yep. Okay. Great. So these are the factors that you must know that before we start in the email marketing, we must have first priority is the goal. Now let's come to the second. What do you think? What should be the second thing? Any idea? Any idea what should be the second? Go ahead. PDF.
Conversion, maybe.
Yeah, maybe you can say it, but I would say
Building list.
Loyalty list. Build your list. Okay. The moment you got your goals, now it's time to build your list. So moment I talk about the build your list, there could be two things happening inside your business. One is maybe you have already one email list, which is for your client. All right. You want to grow it. Otherwise, if you're not using it, you have to create from the scratch and you have to build it. Okay. Build your, so you have identified what your purpose of doing this. Maybe you're for sign up, maybe you generate more generating leads and you want to nurture all these, all people are there in email list, or maybe you want to do more sales through an email list, of course. And now we talk about the build your list. So building your list is maybe for two people, those who have already running email lists, they want to grow it very fast, or those who have nothing, but they want to start from zero to hero situation. Okay. So that could be one. So to build a list, we need a single idea plus email marketing tool. So we have this kind of formula, like we often says, how to build a list. Yeah, to build a list, you need single idea, or like yeah, we can say single idea and plus email marketing tool to deliver. Okay, so what will be happen? Big email list. You will get this. Simple, easy. And you need a good idea how to get it. You need a good tool to use it, and the result you will get big email list. Simple formula. Yes. You have to identify which formula is working for you. Then again, okay. So to build a list, we need to only two components, right? We need two component rights, which is, I'll talk about the components. One is, yes, one is our A and B. Let me write it as A and B. One is our, of course, many people are aware of it. One of my favorite lead magnets, isn't it?
Yes.
And what could be the second one? Any idea? What could be the second one? A simple sign up process. Getting it? This is very important. If you have a powerful lead magnet and if you don't have a simple sign up process, your time and efforts are zero. Suppose you are asking a lot of questions inside the email list. I suppose you are showing a lot of videos, so and so forth, which is not even required. So you are making this process very difficult, right? That's why I have given 2 points here, and I'm just naming here components. Okay. Components must have. Getting it, guys? You think this thing is really helpful? I'm just writing you this in a mind map. I could have just say you like in channel, but I was thinking to just explain you a little in depth. Okay. So yeah. One is lead magnets, another one is a simple sign up process. So now it's your call to what to do next. So let's say about let's talk about this little lead magnet over here. Let's talk about A. So you guys, you know that what is lead magnet? Give me an example. Go ahead.
ebook checklist.
Give free stuff and getting email and phone number.
Yes. And again, I want to clarify one thing. It is very difficult to get a contact person from in the market because there is a lot of resistance. What do you know what is resistance? What I'm trying to say in resistance? Resistance is something. Suppose I'm showing one advertisement to Hitesh, Shankul, Harsh, okay, and I'm not offering right now anything. I'm not offering. I'm just saying, hey, if you want to make money online, just give me your contact detail, and I'll help you to make you more money online. This is something that I'm asking for you. Do you think that you're gonna give your personal contact to me? You will be very skeptical about this, right? Isn't it? Because you'll not give it, and this is not looking very something that they will get benefited, and it is like fishy as well. Because contact person is something that you don't want to share easily. In fact, you not even share your WhatsApp number to anyone, right? Because you know that they will start sending you annoying messages on WhatsApp and all. So this resistance should be break, and to break this resistance, we share powerful lead magnets. In return, we do barter system, like we do incentive game, we do barter. So for an example, we can offer free webinars, okay, free webinars. What else we can offer?
Consulting.
Free consulting. What else?
Offers.
You forgot about the ebooks, guys. One of the oldest lead magnets, but still works today. But yes, ebooks / audiobooks, I can say. Okay.
Newsletter.
Very good. Newsletter.
What about checklist?
N number of possibilities again.
Giving free tools.
Yeah, free tools. AB. Okay.
Courses.
Okay, you have a number of possibilities now. You know that, like, what is lead magnets and all, how long you can go it. Okay, these are the examples of lead magnets I've given you. Now let's talk about this simple sign up process. What do you mean by simple sign up process?
Registration when user wants to visit website.
Yeah, like if it is possible, how many have noticed in Amazon we have one option called one-click checkout process? Maybe you have checked once. You often Amazon runs exclusive pricing and discount offer where you don't have to do add to cart and anything. All you have to do is click on it, and it is exclusively checkout just by one click. Have you noticed that?
Yeah, Paytm also has the direct payment method. You have been jumped to the direct payment mode.
Yes, one-click registration we call. Okay.
So here in this email marketing, we just asking only name, mobile number, and email. Just 3 things.
Yes, of course. But the thing is, it's not like you are asking straight. Of course, you are going to give your lead magnets, right? You're going to ask a lot of questions, of course, to make it little more relevant leads, to making a better quality of your leads. But the most important part is how to create all the environment, because it shouldn't look like fishy. That is the most important. That is why we say it should be very easy. And suppose you are using any tool in the market which is very, very technical, and suppose this tool is asking your IP is not correct. Suppose you're starting. Have you noticed that those who are running lead magnets, they never do that? What we say? I'm not robot. I am robot. That automated thing, CAPTCHA filling. They don't use it.
Yes.
Okay. When they're running in a mass email marketing, they don't run it because they know it. The moment they will run this CAPTCHA form, of course they will get relevant leads, but there are high chances they will skip it because many people still don't want to fill CAPTCHA forms. In fact, I don't want to fill CAPTCHA forms because sometimes it's very irritated because it's not get filled easily, right? So that's why they don't take risks. You're getting it? Yeah. So I hope you got it, right? What I'm trying to say, there should be one-click registration. You shouldn't use no CAPTCHA forms. Okay, no CAPTCHA forms. Only CAPTCHA forms on your main website, like if you are using for your company. All right, only there you should use it.
And a simple form, not a long one.
Yes, you can use a simple long one. That is fine. But the thing is, there should be no another hindrance, no, another hurdles like click here to acknowledge that you are submitting. Another pop-up shouldn't be there. Okay, not should another captcha form shouldn't be there. It should be very easy. After filling up the form, they should do the processes. Just hit the button and get it done. That's it. That's it. Not any other step. And for to do that, you might need some help. Like few softwares I'm gonna give you here is free to use. One is Mailchimp. Another one is MailerLite. These are free to use, guys. You can use it. MailerLite probably you will
Active
take
Campaign.
some time. Yeah, ActiveCampaign is also free, but that is little tricky. Okay, I would say ActiveCampaign is little high level campaigns level settings you can see, but these are very user friendly. And if you are a in a get started journey, like if you are in a very low, very first level, so I recommend you to use by the Mailchimp and MailerLite. They have a better UI and you can navigate easily. And you will get a lot of videos on YouTube. That is most important because new email tools are there, but they don't much support internet because the videos are not there. Hey guys, welcome back to this new session. And in this session, we are going to continue our email marketing module. So in the last module, we have covered 2 steps. There was 4 steps involved. In the last module, we have covered that how to write effective email and how to get started in email, where we have covered about what should be your goal before you start the email writing. Another one is how to build your list. There, I told you that with the certain examples and also with the help of tools and how you can do it, right? So there are a few more examples there, but I want to dive straight into our next few steps, which is step 3. Pick a right campaign. Okay. Oops. So many people don't know that there are different types of campaigns available in the email marketing. So when we talk about the campaign, it's not about necessarily that what exactly behind the motto is our particular campaign. It meant to say you have few types of campaign available in email marketing. One is announcement. Okay. Okay. One is announcement. Another one is our newsletter. Okay, you're getting it. So we have 2 things right down here. Their email campaign could be for any particular announcement regarding your maybe one software that you are running it, maybe your course module updation and all. And newsletter it could be a one thing that you are sending alerts that what is new in this week and all. So do you think that this is a very different from each other, right? Announcement is very different from newsletter and newsletter is very different from announcement. So this kind of a campaign, you must choose that, okay, when you have to do announcement, when you have to do a newsletter campaign. You're getting it, guys? I hope you are getting it, what I'm trying to say. So we have covered that what should be a goal, what should be a build your list, what should be your campaign type. We have 2 campaigns type, announcement and newsletter. So okay, it's according to you. So whatever you want, it feels good on the right time, you can send it. So let's come to our 4th point, which is step 4. Measure and setup tracking. Okay. Measure and setup tracking. All right. So you have done your goal setting and you have done your build your list. Okay. You are also done steps 3. And now it's very important. You have to track few certain things. After sending an email, writing right kind of email, you created your lead magnets, you created your ebooks, everything. You have created your automation and all. But how you should track your particular performance, whether this particular thing is giving you results or not, how we can know it. But there is no other way. We have to track to few call to action, which is like one is open rate. Okay. CTR's rate, CTR performance, you can say. okay, CTR's performance, and also we can check share count. Various measured techniques are there. Okay, so getting it. So we have completed this mind map, which is for generating an effective email marketing campaign. We must have one goal, then we must know how to build a list. We must know that what kind of campaign it is required to send it. Maybe it could be a newsletter format, it could be an announcement format. Okay, now it's your choice, whatever you want, so you can send it through that. Now step 4 is again the measure. So if you're not going to measure, you will be in a big mess there. All right. So here you have seen that how we get started in email marketing. There are essential steps that you need to follow to in order to do your email marketing done. Okay.